Well, you saw the before, and this is the after. You can see here the Basmati rice. Bring the light a little bit better. There we go. I just taste tested. I just put a little bit of sugar to take some of the acidity down, and sprinkle a little bit of salt. I'm not big on pepper because I digested things and I don't have the white pepper. They say it's better for you. But anyway, this is the finished product. It's about close to an hour cooking. Good sweet Italian sausage. I use 3 out of the 5 in the 5-pack. So it's 1 whole green pepper, 1 14-ounce can of tomatoes, a whole Italian onion, and basically olive oil, a little bit of water throughout the thing so it wouldn't dry up too much. But it's delicious, is all I can say. So thank you, Mom, for passing it down. And I'll try to put this, excuse me sniffing, I just got a little runny nose. But anyway, I want to put both these videos online just to show that anybody can pretty much do this. It's not that hard. So I'm going to lay that down. Let's see, go to my,